Hello guys, this is Lucky and I welcome you guys back to this tutorial section. In this video I will show you how to replace the bad screen of a laptop. As you can see, I have a laptop here with me and the screen is totally bad, so I'll be showing you step by step on how to change the screen and put a good one on the system and get the system in a good working order. So let's now dig into the tutorial. So I'll be using this SR as a demonstration. So when you on the laptop, you can see the laptop comes on. So all happen is that you just get a white display with nothing on the screen. So as you can see, this is the mark and it's totally bad. From this side you can see that there is a black color coming up from this area. So that shows you that the screen is bad. So let's go ahead and then replace the screen. Here I already have a new screen here, so we're going to be changing it with this new screen. So what we have to do is just to shut down the system by holding the power button, and then when the system turns off, the next thing we're going to do is to open the upper carcass. So when you are doing this, you just have to be careful so you don't damage or break the carcass. And I would suggest that if you cannot do this by yourself, you get the help of a technician to help you replace the screen. So when you have opened the carcass, the next thing you're going to do is to lose the 4 screw points of the screen. We have a 4 screw point here, so I'll go ahead and lose the 4 screw points here. Alright guys, so now we are done losing the screw. The next thing we're going to do is to bring out the screen. You carefully and gently pull out the screen from the carcass. So this is the flex here that goes straight to the motherboard. So we're going to remove the flex that is connected to the screen. Now there are different types of flex. Now this flex here, this is a small interface flex. They still have the big interface flex, but this system is making use of a small interface flex, so you must get a screen that uses small interface. So depending on the one that you have there with you, if the screen that you have is a big interface flex, it must be the same thing with that of the flex. So as you can see, it's still the same small interface flex. So I'll go ahead and then connect the flex to the screen. Alright guys, so when I have that done, the next thing I'm going to do is to gently place back the screen on the laptop. You must make sure that the 4 screw points maintain their position. When you have fitted this, the next thing you're going to do is to screw back the screen to the laptop. Alright guys, so when you are done tightening up the screw, then you return this casing here. So you just return it and you clip it. Make sure that all the points here have been clipped back to it. As you can see, now the Chrome logo just came out. Alright guys, so we successfully replaced the screen of this laptop. So like I said before, if you cannot follow these steps, all you need to do is just to consult the help of a technician that is going to help you to change the screen. Here I just demonstrated, but in case if you don't understand the demonstration that I showed in this video, what you have to do is just to consult someone that is going to help you to replace the screen. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial, guys. If today is your first time of visiting our YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe and make sure you turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our updates. Here we post video every week, precisely on Friday, so you don't want to miss that. So, and make sure I give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question relating to this step that I just showed you on this video, all you have to do is just to drop down your question in the comment section, and then we'll attend to the question as soon as possible. All right, so see you in the next video.